The UAE coordinating to attack Iran with the United States and their ally in the Middle East is one of the most profound geopolitical shifts in the past 20 years. They have a very well-trained and provisioned military. They have over 250 of the most advanced helicopters, about 99 fighter jets, and an extra 50 multi-role fighter jets. They have at least 75 F-16s. That's a very formidable fighting force for such a small country. And this country, with not that much battle experience, was secretly attacking Iran, and news just came out of it during the war between Iran and the United States. This is why the UAE received the worst of the barrages during that war, and why we are seeing more tension between the UAE and Iran as of today. So this relationship that the UAE has with the United States and Israel, it isn't just diplomatic, it isn't just economical, it is now defense related, which means the United States no longer just has one unsinkable aircraft carrier in the Middle East, it has two. Now, what's so crazy about this is that ever since 1971, when the UAE gained its independence from the UK, they weren't really friendly to the United States' main ally in the Middle East. They didn't recognize their right to exist. Tensions were always there, and if there was any kind of relationship, it was quite frosty. But by the early 2000s, they both kind of started coming together due to the threat they both saw posed by Iran. Fast forward to 2020, and formal relations were established between America's main ally in the Middle East and the UAE. And now, Iran has to contest with two strong regional powers that are able and willing to attack them. Now, this hawkish allegiance against Iran has ruffled some feathers in the Persian Gulf like Qatar, Saudi Arabia, maybe Oman, but Bahrain is 100% on board. They're like, let's do this, let's go. But make no mistake, the fact that the UAE had the gall and the ability to attack Iran means it will be a rallying point for all of the Persian Gulf countries if hostilities resume with Iran again. Not only will the UAE get security guarantees from the United States at a much higher level, they are most likely going to see a huge acceleration of their infrastructure projects to divert pipelines away from the Strait of Hormuz. They are most likely going to get a huge investment push into renewables and overall AI integration just to modernize the UAE even more than they already are, while of course the UAE has pledged $1.4 trillion to this country. Let's see how much of it actually comes to us